Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a LinkedIn business profile easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. Log in to your personal account. In the top right corner, click on the work icon. From the drop-down menu, select Create a Company Page. You will have 4 options: Small Business, Medium to Large Business, Showcase Page, and Educational Institution. For a business profile, choose either Small Business or Medium to Large Business, depending on your company size. Enter your company name in the appropriate field. Make sure the name is accurate, as this will represent your brand. Next, fill in the LinkedIn page URL to create a unique web address for your profile. Choose a URL that is easy to remember and closely matches your business name. Now, upload your company logo. The logo should be square and at least 300 by 300 pixels in size. Then, add a tagline that describes your business in a few words. This should be brief but informative, capturing your brand's essence. Proceed to fill out the company details. This includes information such as the website URL, industry, company size, and company type. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. Next, you'll be prompted to provide additional information about your company. This is an opportunity to elaborate on your mission, values, and what sets you apart from competitors. Once you have completed all fields, review your information for accuracy. After confirming that everything looks good, click the Create Page button. Congratulations, your LinkedIn business profile is now live. You can further enhance your profile by adding a cover image that represents your brand. Consider sharing your profile with your network to boost visibility. Keep your profile updated with posts about your business, achievements, and industry insights. Engage with your audience to build a strong community around your brand. This will not only promote your business but also help you connect with potential customers and industry leaders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.